Hello everyone, welcome to another SEMRush tutorial video. Today I will show you how to check the search volume of a keyword in SEMRush. Now before we get started with this video, you can check out the first link down below if you want to get a 14-day free trial on SEMRush and if you want to try this yourself. Now, first of all, what we want to do is we want to go to Keyword Magic tool right here on the left side, and as you can see, we obviously put in a keyword, which is for this particular video it's called iPhone, and we can actually go here and yeah, as you can see we have all and then all keywords, and here you can see actually the keywords. Right now, how can you actually see and check the search volume of a keyword? Now the search volume of a keyword is right here, as you can see. Now as you can see, if we go here, the average number of monthly searches for a given keyword over a 12-month period. We can use the sort icon to display results in ascending or descending order. So obviously, as you can see, what is the great keyword? Great keyword is when you have a big volume but lower KD, or keyword difficulty. So that's basically what you want to aim if you want to go, and if you want to basically have a good keyword. But here you can check the volume of a keyword. So yeah, if you go here, you can pretty much check the volume of a keyword. It's very simple. As you can see, it's loading up right now, but that's because it has a lot of a lot of analytics and a lot of stuff going on in the backend. Now, as you can see, once I sort the volume by the lowest, I can see that I have 0, right? Because that is the lowest amount of volume that I can get. But again, these keywords, for example, are not really relevant because they have volume of 0, so they're not being searched for. So that's basically how you can check the search volume of a keyword in SEMrush, and how you can also check the keyword difficulty in SEMrush. So if you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.